This is a Mini Mac 35 made by mculloch, and I just fixed this up. It had a seized carb. The choke was stuck and the throttle was stuck, so I had to put some oil on the carb and try and get it to go. But my goodness, to get at that carb, it's one solid block of aluminum. You have to split it in half just to be able to reach any of the components inside. So everything had to come off until it was just the block on there. And putting it back together, there is a teeny tiny little wire inside that had to be threaded in to this plastic grip. Everything about this saw is just difficult to work on, but look at how small that is. I mean, it's tiny. I can almost like put both hands around it like a ball. It has the stock, kind of hard to do with one hand, but that's kind of cool. And you can lift it all up one-handed. Pretty awesome. So yeah, let's take it out and give her a rip. It's a beautiful day in Saskatchewan. Winter is just about over. We're on our second false spring. It snowed a couple days ago.